AI is everywhere right now. Every tool claims to save time, every platform claims to change and transform your business. And every week there's a new must use AI solution that gets fed to you. But here's the reality most business owners are discovering the hard way. AI is not the problem, but the confusion around AI is the problem. In this video, I want to clearly explain what AI consulting actually means for small and mid-sized businesses, what it's not, and how to think about AI in a way that creates clarity instead of overwhelm or uncertainty. Hi, I'm Amber Hoffman from the Blueprint to Business by the FS Agency. On this channel, we break down real strategies for growing and scaling local service-based businesses without hype, buzzwords, or gimmicks. I am the co-founder of the FS Agency, where we work with business owners across home services, wellness, professional services, hospitality, to implement AI in a way that actually supports their workflows and supports how their businesses need to be run. This video is not about the next greatest tool. It's about understanding what AI consulting really is so you can decide if and when it makes sense for your business. So let's start with why AI feels so confusing and overwhelming for so many business owners right now. Most people are introduced to AI through tools. They're shown a demo, they're promised speed or automation, efficiency, and then they're told to figure out how to fit it into their business. Well, that approach creates confusion, not real value. So business owners don't need more tools. They need clarity around where AI fits in their business and where it does not. So it's important to clear up a few things. AI consulting is not a list of tools, a one-time setup of a tool, or a replacement for your human team. It's not about automating everything. It's not about chasing trends. And it's definitely not about turning your business into a tech company. If that's what you're looking for, then AI consulting will feel disappointing. AI consulting, when done correctly, is about strategy first. A good AI consultant starts by number one, understanding how your business operates, two, how your leads come in, three, where time is being wasted, four, where clarity is missing. Only then does AI get introduced into your business. It becomes a support layer, not the center of the business. The goal is not to do more. It's to make what you already do work better. Small and mid-sized businesses have very different needs than larger enterprise companies. You don't have internal AI teams. Sometimes you don't even have an internal tech team. You do not have time to experiment endlessly because you're busy running your business. And you cannot afford complexity that does not produce results. That means AI consulting for you must be practical, focused, and realistic. If AI creates more work instead of removing a friction, then it has failed. For most businesses we work with, AI consulting delivers value in a few consistent areas. It improves clarity in marketing and messaging. It helps structure website and content so that it's easier to understand by your customers. It supports your SEO, Google Business Profile Optimization, AI search visibility, and it saves times on repetitive thinking and documentation. These are not big flashy wins. They are foundational improvements and they can compound over time. Many business owners try to use AI on their own first, and that makes sense to test it out. The problem is that the DIY AI often stays stuck at the prompt level. You might get a decent blog post or be able to draft a good email, but nothing really connects. AI consulting bridges that gap by turning isolated outputs into actual systems. And that's the difference between using AI occasionally and actually benefiting from it and helping it grow and scale your company. This is a critical point. AI tools change constantly, but when AI is applied as part of a system, whether that's content, visibility online, operations, decision making, it becomes infrastructure that can support your business. Without systems, AI is just another thing to manage. AI consulting works best for business owners who value clarity and long term improvement. It's a good fit if you want better visibility and consistency online. It's important if you care about understanding what is working and not in your business. And if you are open to refining how your business is explained and operated. It's not about speed per se, it's more about direction and focus. This AI playlist is here because AI is not going away. The genie is fully out of the bottle. And we want to make sure that business owners have strategy and not confusion. So, in the next several videos, I'll talk about how you can use AI for marketing and visibility, as well as how you can start to think about how you want to incorporate AI into your business. So, check out the next video in this playlist where we continue to expand on what AI can do for your local business. Thank you.